Welcome back to Auto Insight, the place where future mobility meets real passion for cars. If you love innovation, clean design, and performance that silently shocks the world, today's reveal is going to excite you. Tesla has officially unveiled the next generation 2026 Tesla Model 3 in a striking red finish, and it represents a bold evolution of one of the most influential electric sedans ever created. From the very first glance, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 looks sharper, lower, and more confident than before. The red exterior adds an aggressive yet premium character, enhancing the smooth aerodynamic lines Tesla is famous for. The front fascia appears more refined, with slimmer lighting elements and a cleaner, more futuristic presence. Every curve seems designed not just for style, but for efficiency, helping the car slice through the air with minimal resistance. Moving along the side profile, the silhouette remains instantly recognizable, yet noticeably more sculpted. The redesigned wheels complement the sporty stance, while subtle body updates give the Model 3 a more mature and performance-focused appearance. At the rear, the lighting design feels more modern and precise, giving the car a strong visual identity day or night. Step inside the 2026 Tesla Model 3, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. The interior continues Tesla's minimalist philosophy but elevates it with improved materials, smarter layout, and a more immersive digital experience. The cabin feels open and calm, with clean surfaces, soft touch finishes, and a premium ambiance that rivals luxury sedans in higher price segments. At the center of the dashboard sits the updated touchscreen display, now faster, more responsive, and easier to use. It controls almost every function of the car, from navigation and entertainment to climate and driving settings. The interface feels intuitive, smooth, and visually refined, making every interaction effortless. The steering wheel design feels modern and sporty, reinforcing the Model 3's futuristic identity. Seating comfort has been further enhanced for the 2026 model. The seats offer improved support for long drives, while the red exterior contrasts beautifully with the calm, sophisticated interior tones. Rear passengers benefit from better legroom and a more comfortable seating position, making this electric sedan practical for daily commuting as well as road trips. Technology remains the heart of the Tesla experience, and the 2026 Model 3 pushes it further. Advanced driver assistance features, improved autopilot capabilities, and smarter safety systems work together to provide confidence and peace of mind on every journey. The car feels more aware, more responsive, and more connected than ever before. Performance is where the Model 3 continues to surprise. Instant electric acceleration delivers a thrilling driving experience, while improved efficiency ensures strong range and reliability. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 feels smooth, quiet, and effortlessly powerful. Overall, the next generation 2026 Tesla Model 3 in red proves that Tesla is not standing still. It refines what already worked, enhances comfort and technology, and delivers a more polished electric sedan for the future. This is not just an update, it's a confident step forward in the electric revolution. If you enjoyed this exclusive first look, stay connected with Auto Insight for more next-generation car reveals, interior walkthroughs, and future-focused automotive content. The future is electric, and it's arriving faster than ever.